Having your Instagram on your Squarespace website is an effective way of showcasing more of your brand. And in this video right here, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Instagram to Squarespace and how you can show your latest images via the feed of Squarespace. Let's get into the video. At Squarespace, the first thing that you want to do is actually connecting your Instagram account with Squarespace. So in order to do that, you can click on the search bar right there on the top right corner within this menu right here and type in connected accounts. Click on that and you will see that we get this window right here. Then click on connect an account and from here choose Instagram. Then you will be prompted over to this page where you then would log in with your Instagram, add your email, Instagram handle or telephone number, adding your password, click login and accept all of the terms and services there and also accept the pop-up window. Once that is completed, we'll say that, hey, we have connected to Squarespace. Then you can head over to Squarespace again, and then you will see that your Instagram handle is added in here. I'm not going to do this since I do not have an Instagram account, but it's going to show up right here as an Instagram account. Then your account is basically connected, but that does not mean that it's going to show up on your page just yet. In order to add the latest feed from your Instagram to Squarespace, what you want to be doing is coming into the editor, adding a block, going all the way down to integrations and then click Instagram. It's going to give you this gallery right here. And that is going to be the gallery that we have to connect with the connected accounts. From here, just double click on it and you will see here connected accounts. When that is connected, as you did in the previous step, you will see that your Instagram account would show up here. So for example, in my example, it could be rolfmade.com as an Instagram there. Once you click that, everything is connected and you should see that the images show up. That is the latest from your feed. And this will update itself automatically. When you add an Instagram image, it's going to be added back on the site. You can also see here that you have some customization options. You can see that you can tell it how many items you want to be displayed on the page. If you want to, for example, have a standard word at 10, or if you want to have more or whatever you want to like. It goes all the way up to 20. That's the maximum, but you can choose whatever you like. I'm just going to keep that at 10. From here, you also have the design option where you can showcase it in quite some different ways. You can have a slideshow of your Instagram images if you'd like that. You can have a carousel, for example. You can have a grid. It's the standard one, or you can have your Instagram images stacked as well. If that's something you like. Then inside the grid, you can see that you can choose between the aspect ratio. I would just recommend having this as a square, which you have the possibility. Toggle and click off the cropped images, basically meaning that it's going to crop your images to fit within that aspect ratio. Then you can choose the amount of images per row. So if you only want to have, let's say 3, you can do that. You can also choose between the padding if you want to have more space between them, or if you want them to be sort of like in a gallery of its own with no spacing at all. You can even also add a lightbar functionality to it if you want to do that, and also open links in new window, meaning that when they click on an image, it's going to open Instagram and take them to your page. So that was a very quick tutorial on how you can add your Instagram account to Squarespace and showcase your feed live on your website. If you find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.